Hello my dear students, myself Vishal Virani and today we are going to discuss about the class 12 statistic part 2 and lesson number 1. Lesson number 1 is that probability, okay, probability. So in this lecture today we are going to discuss about the conditional probability. What is the conditional probability? As the name suggests, there is a conditional. Yes, there is a conditional. Conditional means suppose there is a two event A and event B. Yes, if the event A is depend on the event if the event B is depend on the event A, yes, then we can say that these two events are a conditional events. Yes, event B is depend on the event A, then these two events are called as a conditional event, and vice versa. If the event A is depend on the event B, yes, then we can also say that these two events are conditional events. Okay, for example, if there is a match between the two teams, Australia and India, yes, and we have to toss, and if we toss, then there is a two possibility, head or tail. Yes, if we toss a balanced coin, then there is a two possibility, head or tail. Yes, suppose event A is that getting head on the coin. Event A is the getting head on the coin. Yes, and event B is the Australia win the toss when getting head on the coin. Yes, event A is that getting head on the coin. Yes, and event B is the Australia win the toss when they get a head on the coin. Yes, so Australia win the toss when they get head on the coin. Yes, and event A is the getting head on the coin, and event B is the Australia win the toss when they get the head on the coin. Yes, so the event B is that Australia win the toss. Yes, it is depend on the event A. Yes, if event A होगी तब भी event B होगी. Yes, event B means if we get the head on the coin, yes, then the Australia win the toss. Yes, so the event B, it is depend upon the event A. Clear? So this event A and B are called as a conditional. Yes, it is depend upon each other. Clear? Okay, same as vice versa. If getting tail on the coin, event C is the getting tail on the coin. Yes, and event D is the India win the toss when getting tail on the coin. Event C is the getting tail on the coin, and event D is the India win the toss when getting tail on the coin. Yes, so probability of the winning of the India is depend on the probability of event C. Yes, event D is depend upon the event C. When India win the toss, when they get the tail on the coin. Yes, so the event D is depend upon the event C. Yes, so these two events, event C and event D, are depend each other. Yes, okay, so this is the conditional event. Okay, now so first of all, conditional event, conditional probability. In the conditional probability, suppose U is a finite sample space. Yes, and event A and B are any two events in it. Okay, and the probability of the definition of the conditional probability is that the probability of occurrence of event B. Yes, probability of the occurrence of event B, it is depend upon the occurrence of the event A. Yes, then these two events are called as a conditional. Okay, the probability of occurrence of event B means P of B. Yes, probability of occurrence of event B means P of B under the condition that A. Yes, it is under the condition that A occur, it is called the conditional probability. Okay, probability of the event B is under the condition that event A. Yes, it is depend, probability of event B, it is depend upon the event A, condition of the event A. Clear? Then it is called as the conditional probability. If occurrence of the event B under the condition that A occur, it is denoted by B/A. Okay, B/A means event B occur under the event A. B/me means event B occur under the event A. Okay, now then the probability, this is the denotation. Now we have to find the probability, so that P of B/A. Yes, then the probability of B slash A of the conditional event B slash A, it is called the conditional probability. Yes, we have to find the probability, so we have to take the P of B slash A. So P equation to find the P of B slash A is equal to P of A intersection B upon P of A. This is the formula to find the probability of the conditional event. Okay, here we have to find the probability of event B. Here we have to find the probability of event B under the event A. Yes, this is called as a probability of event B under event A is equal to probability of intersection of event A and B upon P of A, where P of A always greater than and equal to 0, greater than and equal to 0. Clear? And vice versa. Similarly, if the occurrence of event A, yes, if the probability of event A, it is under the event B, okay, probability of event A is depend on the event B. Yes, then vice versa of this condition. Okay, similarly, if the occurrence of the event A under the condition that event B, यहाँ पे इवेंट A है वो इवेंट B पे डिपेंड है, यहाँ पे क्या था, इवेंट B है वो इवेंट A पे डिपेंड थी. क्लियर? ओके, सो द occurrence of the event A under the condition that event B occur, it is denoted by A slash B. Okay, it means event B, probability of the event A is depend on the event B. Okay, and we have to find the probability of event A is depend on the event B is equal to P of A intersection B upon P of B, like as, yes, here P of A and here P of B, and where P of B is not equal to 0 or P of B is greater than or equal to greater than and equal to 0. Clear? So this is the conditional probability. Okay, and it is understand by giving one example. Okay, example is that suppose a company produces certain types of item in its two different factory A1 and A2. Yes, there is a two factory A1 and A2, and this two factory produce a certain type of item. Yes, and one item is randomly selected from a store selling the item produced by this company. Okay, we have to select one item, yes, which is produced by the factory A1 and A2. Yes, so this item, it is from either A1 or A2. Okay, now let us denote that the selected item is as a defective item, and the third event is that selected item, it is a defective item is a D. Okay, event A1 is that selected item, it is from the factory A1. Event A2 is that selected item, it is selected from the factory A2. Okay, and event D is that selected item is a defective item. Okay, now if the selected item is produced at factory A1, यस, सिलेक्टेड हमने जो कोई भी आइटम सिलेक्ट की है वो कहाँ से प्रोड्यूस हुई है, फैक्ट्री A1 से प्रोड्यूस हुई है, एंड देन द इवेंट डेट इज डिफेक्टिव, इट इज डेनोटेड बाय DA1. ओके, हमने जो कोई भी आइटम सिलेक्ट की हुई है वो फैक्ट्री A1 से प्रोड्यूस हुई है, लेकिन वो कैसी है, वो डिफेक्टिव है. यस, यो, सो हियर वी कैन से दैट द इवेंट D, yes, event D is the selected item is defective, it is depend upon the event A1. Yes, so it is denoted by D/A1. Yes, event D, it is depend upon the event A1. Yes, probability of the event D is under the event A1. Yes, क्योंकि हमने जो डिफेक्टिव आइटम जो निकली है वो कहाँ से निकली है, फैक्ट्री A1 में से निकली है. क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे हम कह सकते हैं कि इवेंट डी है वो इवेंट A1 पे डिपेंड है. यस, क्लियर? ओके, सेम एज इफ द सिलेक्टेड आइटम इज प्रोड्यूस एज फैक्ट्री A2. यस, जो हमने आइटम सिलेक्ट की हुई है वो कहाँ से प्रोड्यूस हुई है, फैक्ट्री A2 में से प्रोड्यूस हुई है और डिफेक्टिव निकलती है. ओके, इफ द सिलेक्टेड आइटम इट इज प्रोड्यूस एट फैक्ट्री A2, देन द इवेंट डेट डिफेक्टिव आइटम इज डेनोटेड बाय D/A2. यस, यहाँ पे जो डिफेक्टिव आइटम निकली है, यस, वो कहाँ से निकली है, फैक्ट्री A2 से निकली है. क्लियर? यस, इवेंट D इज डिपेंड अपॉन द इवेंट A2. यस, यहाँ पे जो डिफेक्टिव आइटम है वो निकलती है, लेकिन किस पे डिपेंड है, वो तो पे इवेंट A1 और A2 पे डिपेंड है कि हमने जो सिलेक्टेड आइटम है वो कहाँ से ली हुई है, A1 से ली हुई है कि A2 से ली हुई है। क्लियर? सो दिस डिफेक्टिव इज डिनोटेड बाय D/A2. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू राइट द प्रोबेबिलिटी. दिस इज द आवर इवेंट. यस, event D/A1 and event D/A2, but we have to write the probability, conditional probability. So we have to take the P of D/A1 and P of D/A2. Okay, what is the meaning? Probability of occurrence of D. Yes, we have to find the probability of D, means the probability of the defective item. Yes, we have to find the probability of the defective item, but there is a two cases. Yes, first case is selected item, it is from the factory A1, and the second case is the selected item, it is from the factory A2. Okay, so we have to find the probability of the defective item. Selected item is a defective item. Yes, probability of the occurrence of D under which event? Under event A1. Yes, under the condition that event A1 has occurred. Okay, इवेंट ए हुई है, बाद में ही तो हमको डिफेक्टिव आइटम मिली हुई है ना, कि पहले हमको आइटम है वो सिलेक्ट करनी है, लेकिन हमने वो कहाँ से सिलेक्ट की है, फैक्ट्री A1 में से सिलेक्ट की हुई है। बाद में हमको पता चलता है कि जो फैक्ट्री A1 में से हमने आइटम सिलेक्ट की हुई है वो कैसी है, डैमेज है। क्लियर? ओके, सो दैट प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अकरेंस ऑफ D अंडर द कंडीशन डेट इवेंट A1 हैज अकर। ओके, और यहाँ पे प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अकरेंस ऑफ D, यस, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अकरेंस ऑफ D मीन्स डिफेक्टिव आइटम निकलती है उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करनी है। लेकिन यहाँ पे जो कोई भी डिफेक्टिव आइटम निकलती है वो कब निकलती है? जब हमने वो आइटम है वो फैक्ट्री A2 में से सिलेक्ट की हुई है। यस, पहले तो हम क्या करेंगे, पहले तो हम सिलेक्ट करेंगे आइटम को, पहले तो हमने आइटम को फैक्ट्री A2 में से सिलेक्ट किया, बाद में हमको पता चला कि वो आइटम डिफेक्टिव है कि नहीं है। Yes, so that probability of the occurrence of D under the condition that A2 has occurred, there is event A2 has occurred. Yes, so it is denoted by the probability of D/A2. Clear? Okay, understand it, write down it. Clear? Okay, so keep practicing and we will meet you in next lecture.